Hello guys, again we are here for mailing tab. In mailing tab we are going to do something called mail merge. Mail merge is used when you have a single letter like the one we have here, but needs to be sent to many people. The recipients are many, but the letter is one. So you do something called mail merge, so that this one letter will be merged through all the addresses of the different people that needs to receive this letter. So you might have a recipient list that is already made, or you can also make a recipient list at this moment. But for organizations, tunatengeneza a mailing list that you'll be using frequently because you don't hire and fire every day. So you have a list of your employees, you have maybe a list of your students, etc. So hawa students, hawa employees ndio utakuwa ukitumia letters mara mingi, so their contact list remains one, and then unaweza kuuse. So this time we don't have a saved contact list, so tutatengeneza yetu. We have a letter here that we want to merge, so we go to the mailing tab. Then we do something called start mail merge, and then mail merge has steps, so we are going to do step by step mail merge. So we click on that. You realize there is a pen that has appeared on the right hand side of what you want to merge. So mail merge pen. What do you want to merge? What type of document are you working on? This time tumesema ni letter, so we choose letters. Then we go to next. Then how do you want to set up your letter? Use the current document. So tunatumia the current document, so your step tena tunakuwa tumesha maliza, and then now we are in step 3. So ukiangalia tuko na 6 steps, so we are in step 3 of 6. Use an existing list. If we had our list that is existing, tungetumia hiyo, lakini sababu hatuna, let us use browse. We browse when we have a list, but if we don't have, we type a new list. Type a new list. So we create a new list. So type a new list, then click on create. Inatuletea watu utaongeza hapa, but no, it has title, first name, last name, company, etc. That might not be what you have. Si hizo titles zenye uko nazo, ama table yako, ama contact list yako, si hizo vitu unataka. So what do? You customize the columns so that the columns will be according to what you have. Kama uko na title na first name peke yake, unakuja hapa unasema customize columns. So title, let it remain. We have title Mr., Mrs. Hizo ndizo title. First name, let it remain. Last name, let it remain. Company name, I don't think we need it, so we can come here and delete. So what we don't need, we delete. Address line 1, we can rename. Tuseme we don't have line 1 and 2, we want address line peke yake, and then we say okay. Address line 2, we delete. Yes. We have city and state, and the rest tunaweza enda tuki delete. Yes. We come to work phone, delete. Yes. Country, region, delete. Yes. Phone number, delete. Yes. Let us remain with at address line. Wacha tuitoe, tuachwe na kitu na vitu manageable because for the purpose of learning. And then if you need maybe this email address above ile ingine, unaweza leta hapa useme move up. What is selected, you move up mpaka ikuwe is the fourth one, then you say okay. So tukifanya hivyo, you realize hizi zenye tumebakisha ndizo zimejipanga hapa. That is what is here. So we can be able now to add what we want. For example, let us have our contact list being for Mr. John Kirui, email address kirui@gmail.com. These are just random numbers I'm getting from myself. City Nakuru, and then we have what? State, so let it be Nakuru, Kenya. And then we have another person. So hapa, what do we do for the next person? Tunasema new entry. So new entry here, and then we can have niche, Beth Wairimo, berry@gmail.com. Nairobi, Kenya. Then we have another third person to malizia hapo. Then we have Mrs. Mary Otieno. @gmail.com. Kisumu City. Kisumu, Kenya. Then we say, okay, it is asking us to save the document. Let us say tweet a contact one. Then we save. So we have our list ndio hii, and then we must say ndio tunataka kutumia, so we must select it here. Our data source is this one. Usiache unselected. Our data source is that one, and then we click on okay. After doing that, ishajileta hapo. So we in step 3, and then let us go to step 4. Preview. Your step 4 is here. So we start adding. Tunataka your address wapi? Tunakuja hapa, we click on more items, and then we start adding them. We have title, insert, inakuja hapo. Then we have first name, insert. We have last name, insert. We have email, insert. City, insert. And state, insert. Then we can close that. But now we have to arrange these ones. For example, we need spacing. Tunaleta kasa hapo, tunaweka space. Tunaleta kasa hapo, tunaweka a space. Email address, then we have to have enter. Tunaleta kasa hapo, tunaweka enter, and still the date needs to be above below them. So let us preview whether this is what we want. So after kuzipanga hapo, tunakuja tunasema preview your letters. Imekuja hivi. There is one thing that we have not done. Kuna kitu hatujaweza kufanya. The reason being we didn't enter tukifika hapo kwa email. So let us go previous write your letter. Then hapa kwa email image, it is in the next line by default imetext wrap, lakini hatukuweka enter, so acha tuweke enter and then we can preview again. Yes, that is how it should appear. Unfortunately we wrote using capital letters, but the concept is home. That is how you do a mail merge. Let us see what we have. Angalia hapa recipient 1, you can change to recipient 2, alikuwa Mrs. Beth. Recipient 3 na yeye ni Mrs. Mary. Now we can complete our merge. Step 6 of 6. Tunataka aje to edit individual letters. What do we want to see? We want to see all the records. Click on OK. Tumechagua all and then we click on OK. So we can scroll tuone hiyo ni ya Beth iko hapo, ya Otieno Mary iko hapo, and we have our first one yenye ni ya John Kirui. So zote ziko hapa. If we had more than 10, 100, zote zingekuwa hapa. So these are our merged letters. These are our merged letters. We are sending to them that they maybe passed the interview, etc. So that is it about mail merge. After merging, watu wengi hushindwa kurudi nyuma. So what you do, you close. What you are closing is the merged letters, and because you already have the other one, huwa unakuja hapa unasema don't save. Don't save kwa nini? Hiyo merged ni umefunga, bado uko nayo, so you still have the other letter, unabaki nayo hapo, and you can still continue seeing the rest. So that is it about mail merge. And we have already used we have used a contact list that we have created. If you want to use another one, nyingine unataka kutumia, unatoa hii, you can close the other one, and then you go to mailing again, then start mail merge, step by step mail merge. We said that our first step ni you choose letters. The second step ni current document, yes, na hiyo ingine ni selecting using we want to use an existing list. We want to use an existing list. So hapa tunataka kuchagua a different list from what we have used, a different list. Remember, hatuna ingine yenye tumesave, ni yenye tu tumetumia saa hizi. So hata tukichagua ni venye tu itakuja from the saved side, and then you click on open. So hii ikiwa hivi, it is the easiest because it is just selecting here. You select it from there and then you click on OK na uendelee nayo just the way we have done the other one. So edit write your letter. The next step, more items, you add the fields just the way we have done the other one. Insert. So instead of repeating the same thing, realize the steps and where we are now. That is how we do mail merge. The difference is whether you have the contact list saved or you are creating a new one. So that is it.